today we're showing you a 2016 John Deere 5045E tractor. It's a 45 horsepower tractor, has just over 250 hours on it. It's just about like new. Again, 45 horsepower, two-wheel drive tractor. It's got the 9.3 transmission that is synchronized. Hydraulic and 3-point controls here to the right of the seat. To the left of the seat you got your PTO engagement, range lever. Rear work light, foldable roller bar. It's got the rear hydraulic plug-in, 540 PTO, 3-point hitch. Tractor is just about like brand new. We do take trades. We also offer trucking and financing. If you have any questions regarding this unit, please contact us.